Hello, curious mind. Your support means so much to me. Every like, comment, and share keeps me going. Watch till the end. I promise it's worth it. Let me tell you a story about a habit. A habit that changed my life. It's something that I started in 2022, and now, as 2024 comes to an end, just days away from 2025, I know this is a habit I will carry with me into the new year 2025. That habit is journaling. So, this is my first ever notebook. I started journaling in 2022, just writing whatever came to my mind. No structure, no rules. Look at these pages. It's like reliving my thoughts from 2 years ago. Now it's 2024 and we are so close to 2025. Time flies, right? Then I moved to this notebook. This is where I started adding dates, noting down the best parts of my day and things I felt grateful for. It's nice to look back and see those small moments of happiness that I might have forgotten otherwise. Now, this one is special. I used to write everything, my highs, my lows, moment of joy and sadness. I even started it with a famous quote to set the vibe. Flipping through these pages feels like a journey through my emotion. And here is the new one, fresh, untouched, and ready for 2025. Feels so satisfying to hold a blank notebook, doesn't it? I have not written anything yet, but I can't wait to start filling it up when the new year begins. But wait, it was not always smooth. When I began, my English was broken. No structure, no rules. My notebook was like my mind, full of chaos. I would pour out my problems, fears, tension, and anything that burdened me. It was not pretty, but it was real. Fast forward to now, and journaling has become my anchor. I have grown so much, not only in writing, but also in my mental strength. They say a cluttered mind leads to a cluttered life, and I couldn't agree more. Writing down my thoughts was like clearing the storm in my mind, and gradually I started focusing on gratitude, the best and the worst moments of my day. It made me realize that even in chaos, there is much more to be thankful for. When I look back at my first journal entries, I can't help but laugh. My growth is huge. It's like I have become a different person, more organized, more confident, more alive. Writing is not just about solving problems, it's about recognizing what we already have. Sometimes we get so caught up chasing goals and desires that we forget to appreciate what's right in front of us. Here's the thing, it's not magic, it didn't happen overnight. Like they say, Rome was not built in a day. I started with one messy sentence. Now I write full page or more every day. Journaling has taught me consistency over quantity. Even on days when I don't feel like writing, I open my notebook, jot down the date, and close it. That's my signal to stay on track. And you know what's cool? The habit doesn't just help me write better, it's made me a better observer and listener. I see the world differently because I know I will write about it later. It's like my mind is always tuned into life's little details. So here's my advice, don't overthink it, don't try to be perfect, just write. Let it be raw, messy, and real. You will be astonished at how it transforms your mind, your confidence, and your perspective on life. Journaling is not just a habit, it's a powerful tool. And as I step into 2025, I am taking this tool with me. Maybe you should too.